What's up everybody? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. We are back with another taste test, and today we are looking at a company called Good Food for Good. So Good Food for Good is another Canadian-based company, and they make ketchup, barbecue sauces, cooking sauces, and even turmeric tea. All right, so you're probably asking, what's so special about Good Food for Good, Andre? Hey, I'm glad you asked. Let me tell you. So Good Food for Good products are all made with organic ingredients. They're free of gluten, soy, corn, refined sugars, and preservatives. And get this, they're only sweetened with dates. What? I know. They're keto friendly, vegan friendly, and they're only 15 calories for every 2 tablespoons. They're also a buy one, feed one venture. So basically that means that for every one of their products that you buy, they will donate a meal through local and global food banks to feed someone in need. Now do you get the name? Good Food for Good. And as of recording this video, they've helped to provide over 280,000 meals. That's a lot of good. I have spicy ketchup and their regular ketchup. And then for the barbecue sauces, I have the classic and the sweet and spicy. So for today, I thought, why not try out the classic and sweet and spicy barbecue sauces? All right, so I've got some chicken tenders here, and no, I did not make them myself, because you know, sometimes it's just too hot and the freezer is your best friend. So on this side, we've got the classic, and on this side, we have the sweet and spicy. So let's go ahead. Ooh, I like that. It's got like, you can smell a little bit of spice, kind of a tang to it. That's probably the tomato paste. That's really nice. All right, let us see, let us see. Oh, that is really good. You would never know there were dates in this. I mean, what? Ooh, it's got a really nice tang to it. Oh, I like that. Cool, time for the sweet and spicy. Let's see. Yep, you can smell the spice in that one. Oh, that, ooh, okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, there's that kick. Oh, that's good. Yeah. There's a little bit of sweet in there for sure, but yeah, there is that punch of spice. Oh, that's really good, you guys. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm happy. Yeah, and then there's that lingering kick of the spice. Yeah. Oh, that's good. All right, so obviously I give these 2 big thumbs up for sure. They're so good and they're not that expensive. I will leave a link below in the description below so you can go to their website, find out more about them, find out where you can get your hands on some as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. All right, guys, I'm gonna go check out the prices of grills, and I'll see you next time in the next video, right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.